Welcome back to Tools for Sparks, the ultimate YouTube channel for everything to do with tools for electricians. And today I'm going to show you briefly the cable tongue from Superrod. Now this is a tool that I have seen endless times on social media. People keep talking about it, how it's a lifesaver. And I'll be honest, I have hesitated to buy this for quite a while, because I was just not sure whether it's going to be any good or not. But the amount of people who've said that it's an absolute lifesaver, that has persuaded me to finally go for it and get one of these. And I am not... This is not the first time that I'm buying a Superrod tool, let's say that. I know you've probably seen some of my previous videos where I've sung the praises of the Superrod Mega Set. And I am a massive Superrod fan because their Mega Set, the rod set that they do, is an absolute lifesaver, and I use it almost every single day. So the cable tongue hopefully is going to be a new addition to my life-saving toolkit. And I like this hashtag working smarter. They clearly know the kind of people that they're marketing to, people who want to work smarter and not harder. So I'm just going to open this up for you. I'm not going to show you me using it yet. I'm just going to show you what's inside the box or packet, and then hopefully in a future video I'm going to be able to use this over on my Artisan Electrics channel, and I'll be able to tell you how I've got on with it. But this is the cable tongue from Superrod. It's 3.6 meters long. On the back here you've got the kind of 4-step usage instruction. So basically you tie on a bit of cable with an insulation tape. You poke the end of the cable tongue up into a void or something like that, and the idea is because it's flat, it slides up and it keeps its flat surface against the surface of the plasterboard or the wall that you're sliding up, and then it'll come out at the opposite end wherever you're trying to get out from. So that's the idea. It says the cable tongue ensures quick and easy cable runs through interior walls. The flat and flexible design allows you to slide through insulation filled walls with ease, as well as maintaining a straight path along the wall. The length of the cable tongue is suitable for use in 99% of walls. So yeah, most walls are going to be less than 3.6 meters high. So that's the idea, basically going from bottom to top or top to bottom of a wall. And the idea being, because it's flat, it goes in a straight line. It doesn't bend or twist. And so it's a really good tool for getting up in straight lines. If you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description below when you can buy one of these. And don't forget to follow Superrod on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. They do have great presence on social media, and they're doing a lot for safe isolation procedures, which I really respect. So let's get this open. So it's just got a little tearing strip there. So you just tear like that, and then it's basically nice, simple packaging. I do like this. I hate it when it's like a real nightmare to get into a product. That's it. Simple packaging. You've got a bit of insulation tape just tied around here just to hold it together. So I'm just going to remove this insulation tape. I know that electrical firms, probably are not like the most reputable for being eco-friendly and with their packaging and stuff like that. But this kind of packaging is quite minimalist, and I do like it. I hate it when companies put too much packaging on, because I do think that we have to be conscious about the environment and stuff like that. So it's great to see that companies are using minimal packaging. So here we go. So that's undone, and it does sort of like spring out a bit, so it's coiled a bit like a spring. And at the end here you see it's got a hole in it, and then the other end it's also got a hole, and it's slightly curved at the end. It's quite clever product this, really, because it's so simple. Actually, it's just a curvy flat piece of plastic, so it probably costs next to nothing to produce. I suppose it's a bit similar to a bit of trunking lid, like a lot of you have probably used in the past, and we did use that. But the trouble with trunking lid is it kind of kinks up and can snap easily and things like this, whereas this is a bit more tough. So it bends back into place when you you know, you push it straight, it will push flat like that, but it naturally curves back into its shape. So if I lay it down like that, you can see it stays in its shape quite easily, and you can just feed it in to a hole or whatever, and then it will stay in a straight line. So that's the idea behind it. And what you can do obviously is strip a cable back and thread the stripped back wires through this, bend them back over, and then tape them, so there's no chance of that coming off. That'll be a nice tight and secure connection to the cable when you pull it in, so that it doesn't pull off. Let me know in the comments if you've got one of these. Do you use it? How do you get on with it? I'd love to know your thoughts about this product. And as I said before, link in the description where you can buy one of these on Amazon for a great price. And if you would like to see a lot of my other tools that I like to use on a day-to-day basis, I'll put a link in the description to my Amazon tool shop, where you can find all of my go-to day-to-day tools. I've recently made a video particularly about the stripping tools that I like to use for stripping back different sizes of cables, so there's going to be a link in the description for that as well, and you can check that out. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out, because we post regular videos here. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up button, because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm to get these videos out to other people who can benefit from them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.